In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove fields from page layouts in Salesforce. Whether you're updating an existing layout to better fit the needs of your team or customizing a new one, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll dive into the Salesforce interface to make sure the page layouts align perfectly with your organization's requirements. Let's get started by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your setup menu. Give it a click and from the drop down menu select advanced setup. This opens up a whole range of customization options. Next, you're going to use the quick find box, which is prominently displayed at the top. In this box, type object manager and select it from the list that appears. Moving on, now it's time to choose the specific object whose layout you want to adjust. Whether it's an account, a contact, or an opportunity, find your object and click on it. This is where you can see all the details and settings related to that specific object in Salesforce. Once you have your object open, navigate to page layouts on the left-hand menu. Give it a click and now you're in the area where you can manage different layouts for this object. You should now see a list of available layouts. Decide which one you need to modify and click on its name to enter the editing mode. Now here's the fun part: customizing your layout. If you want to add a field, look towards the fields palette located at the top section of your screen. Simply drag the field you wish to add from this palette and drop it into your layout below. A popular area to drop fields is within sections like information. This makes important details easily accessible to users. On the other hand, if you find a field that you no longer need or want to remove, it's easily done. Just hover your mouse over the field in the layout itself. You'll see a remove icon, which typically looks like a minus sign or dash. Click this icon to remove the field from the layout. Finally, after you've made all your additions and deletions, ensure you hit the save button. This button is located in the upper left corner of the layout editor. Saving your work is crucial as it updates the layout for all users who have access to this particular page layout. And that's all there is to it. Making these adjustments ensures that everyone using Salesforce in your organization has access to the right fields and can navigate efficiently. By tailoring these layouts, you're not only enhancing usability, but also contributing to better data management. Thanks for tuning in today. Happy customizing.